Hey girl, hey! Janelle Seeley Smith here, Kiss Color and Care's resident hair expert, and I'm showing you not only how to achieve, but also maintain this intricate edge look using Edge Fixer Gel and Edge Fixer Wax Stick. I'm so excited because I love when the girls wear ponytails. It's the one style that will last a long time. And if you're using products that's gonna make your hair grow and it's gonna give you holds, I mean, what else do you need? Except for the pony. All right, so first we're gonna start by pulling the hair up, and I wanna do it in sections, okay? Some people do it in thirds, but I'm gonna just go around and just take out the part of the hairline. Like this, the circumference. Right now, I'm temporarily gonna use a rubber band. Just so I can start applying my product. The Edge Fixer. We're gonna start applying it from the root and just rub it right on. Just like that. And now you're gonna use a hard to medium brush and brush it in. Can we get this shine? Yeah, that's some good shine. Look at this. That's a good pony. All right, I'll pull back the front, leaving out my baby hairs because you know we have to get the baby hairs going. Can I use the word fleek still? No. Edges laid. Edges laid. I'm snatching your soul right now. Just a little. That's what we want. This facelift comes in a package. Beautiful. Feels pretty already, right? Ooh. And let you see. Woo. How beautiful. It's time to get laid. Oh, can I say that? Well, let's do it. Again, Biotin B7 infused. Matter of fact, I'll put a little bit on the back of my hand, like Mom used to do. Definitely need the headscarf. We want to tie down this hairline and let it hold for us while the edge is set. Not a magic trick. Remember when I put some on the back of my hands? This is the time I'm going to use it with her hair to blend in with the extensions. All right, I'm going to take a little bit more. I'm gonna use it on my strand that's gonna go around my base so it can have a nice,, smooth finish. Such a good time. I'm so excited. Quick and easy, no buildup, shine, elegant, soft. I mean, it's gonna promote health to the hair, growth, biotin. What else, girl? We are winning. Period. Looking for more of the inside scoop from yours truly? Visit kisscolors.com.